Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into Tradoor, a crypto coin also known as Tradoor, and exploring how you can acquire it using MEXC Global, the BNB Smart Chain, and even a handy Telegram bot app. ETs begin by understanding Tradoor. This involves looking at the token's description and its intended utility, along with the tokenomics, including the total supply, distribution model, and any burning mechanisms that might be in place. We'll also touch on the underlying technology and the overall vision behind the project, as well as the unique selling points that differentiate it from other cryptocurrencies, exploring its potential use cases, real-world applications, the roadmap, and any future development plans. EXT will explore where you can buy Tradoor, specifically focusing on MEXC Global. We'll cover the reasons behind choosing MEXC Global as a listing platform and provide a step-by-step guide on creating an account, along with navigating the KYC verification process. We'll then delve into trading Tradoor on MEXC, demonstrating how to deposit funds like USDT, how to locate the Tradoor trading pair, how to place buy and sell orders using both limit and market orders, and finally, how to understand the trading fees associated with MEXC. Moving on, we'll discuss Tradoor's integration with the BNB Smart Chain, or BSC. We'll explain the advantages of using BSC, such as its low fees and speed, and then provide the contract address for Tradoor on the BSC network. Next, we'll walk you through using MetaMask or Trust Wallet with BSC, including adding the BSC network to your wallet, importing the Tradoor token, and understanding gas fees. You'll then explore the Tradoor Telegram bot app, detailing its functionality, such as price alerts and potential trading features, and how to access and set it up. We'll cover the available features and commands. The benefits of using the Telegram bot include the convenience of real-time information, automated trading features if applicable, and the engagement and support available through the Telegram community. You will also review purchasing Tradoor using BNB, starting with how to buy BNB on Binance or other exchanges, and then transferring it to your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. We'll then guide you through using PancakeSwap, covering connecting your wallet, swapping BNB for Tradoor, understanding slippage and liquidity pools, and the potential risks involved. It is crucial to consider security when dealing with crypto assets. We'll discuss the importance of strong passwords and two-factor authentication, how to avoid phishing scams, and the secure storage of your private keys. We'll also touch upon the risks associated with crypto investing, like market volatility, emphasizing the importance of doing your own research, or DYOR, before investing, as well as being aware of the potential for scams and rug pulls. In conclusion, we've covered the essentials of Tradoor, from its fundamentals and acquisition methods to security considerations. Remember to buy Tradoor, join the community, and stay informed. You can find useful links to the official website, social media channels, and the MEXC listing. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.